Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome back to our yet another very exciting video from AfriCareers. I'm your Jobs Navigator, and today I have yet another very exciting news for you, especially those of you who are looking for no experience entry level jobs. I have a massive recruitment program that is open at URA, Uganda Revenue Authority. And I'm going to be taking you through the application procedure. Make sure you stick around up to the end of this video if you want to succeed. What you need to know is that each time you make an application, there is no guarantee that you might be selected. But with videos like this one here, your chances of going through increase by 100%. I've seen it working because you're going to make your application when you know the procedure and you're not going to make any mistakes. So make sure you stick around as I unpack these very juicy, experience entry level jobs at URA. Before we go into our video, of course, I'm going to take you through a couple of things, including the opportunity, okay, how you are going to get yourself this juicy job, and then why join URA internship program, the entry level opportunities, then the application process. I'm going to take you through bit by bit, and then your next steps and very important tips coming from those that have done it and have actually been fully employed by URA through this program. So if you are, looking out for internship, or you could be having a sister, you could be having a brother, you could be having a relative who might need this opportunity, you may not go through the entire video, but just forward it to that person who needs it so that they can watch the video up to the end. Yes, this video is free of charge because of the sponsorship we are getting from Apex Tax and Accounting School. They are your trusted partners for the CPA Uganda and the CTA professional courses. CPA is Certified Public Accountants of Uganda course that prepares accountants, those want to be professional accountants. And then we have the CTA, which is the Certified Tax Advisor course. Their intake is open. They have intakes in January, April, and July every year. And of course, they are calling you out to prepare you for those professional courses. They have a very smooth, seamless online registration, 10% early bird discounts. And of course, they want to give you a 10% discount if you want to join right now. You can contact them on the WhatsApp numbers on your screens or visit their offices on Karl Marx Building, Office Suite D13. They also have the tax practitioners course if you really want to pursue tax as a career, if you want to know things like income tax, value-added tax, customs, IFRS. Get in touch with them on the numbers or visit their offices on Karl Marx Building. You will be able to join, get details about these very nice programs. So let us jump into our video. And of course, I'm going to use a post that we made on our website just to move with you step by step. And in this post, we are talking about the opportunity that is open right now that should not take lightly, because you need to know that if you have joined this internship program, you will be able to easily get a job at the institution. So you're saying that, are you a student, a recent graduate with a dream of working with one of Uganda's top government institutions? Great news for you. The Uganda Revenue Authority has officially launched its internship program for 2025, and it is packed with exciting opportunities for young, energetic, and ambitious individuals just like you. If you're eager to gain real-world experience, work alongside seasoned professionals, and contribute to building a fair tax system in Uganda, then this is your chance. All right, so what is the URA internship program? So every year, the Uganda Revenue Authority opens doors to students and graduates across the country. And the aim is for you to join them so that you can gain hands-on experience through its highly competitive internship program. This opportunity offers invaluable on-top job training, mentorship, and insight into the inner workings of one of the country's most impactful institutions. And guess what? Applications are right now open as you're watching this video. All right, what are the available internship slots? I'm going to first of all list them, and then I will be taking you through exactly what you're going to be doing as an intern. So we have an opening for finance interns, procurement interns, human resource interns, intelligence and investigations interns, tax academy interns, executive office operations interns, 17 positions, internal audit interns, 8 positions, customs interns, information technology, strategy and peak management interns, domestic taxes interns, performance management interns. So all these are open, and you could be wondering which one best suits my profile. Maybe you are doing a course at the university and you're wondering which one can I go for. So you're going to look through exactly what you're going to be doing as a finance intern, as a procurement intern, as a human resource intern. So we have managed to get further information. And of course, as a finance intern, if you look at our, you can come here. I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below for you to be able to come here on the post, and then you keep on looking at exactly what is required of you. For example, when you click on the finance intern, you see that as a finance intern, you're going to assist in processing financial transactions. You're going to maintain payment documentation and audit trails. You're going to reconcile bank and ledger accounts. You're going to support monthly reporting and budgeting tracking. So if you are basically at the university, you're doing bachelor's of business administration, you're doing bachelor's of commerce, you're doing economics, you're doing finance and accounting, you're the best person to do this. Then when you see procurement, we have also managed to just structure around what you're going to be doing. Those who will succeed as procurement interns, you're going to assist in processing procurement requests, file and retrieve procurement records. You're going to support preparation of solicitation documents. You're going to track supplier performance and contract management. So outrightly, if you're in procurement, you're at the university and you're doing procurement, any university, they are not going to really segregate that maybe this or this or that. I won't even mention names here. Any university, as long as you're doing procurement, this is your opportunity. This is your opportunity. Because I'm telling you, training employees is very, very hard. So through the internship program, companies identify people that they can rely on the next time they need to recruit. So this is exactly your opportunity. So you're going to keep on looking through. So I'm leaving the link in the description box down below. Don't want to make this video so long, because I need to take you through how you're going to apply and all that. So human resource, of course, those doing human resource, what exactly are you going to be doing? Human resource interns, we are looking at assisting in the recruitment and onboarding process at URA, maintaining personnel files at URA, supporting HR data entry and records, coordinating staff activities and events. So if you're doing HR, if you're in line with human resource from any university in Uganda, you have to apply. This is your opportunity. So those in audit, customs, now people like those who are in finance, you can also opt for customs. Even if you're not in finance, even if you're doing social work, you're doing development studies, you qualify for any of these positions. But of course, I'm saying that you're best suited. For instance, if you are doing finance, if you're pursuing a finance course, at the university, you're best suited for finance intern. If you're doing procurement at the university, you're best suited for procurement. However, for the following, these may take the general social work. If you're doing development studies, if you're doing engineering, by the way, engineering, talk about it. If you're in engineering, you're an architect, you're pursuing your course there, and you want to join URA, this is your opportunity. You're doing medicine. Why not? So positions like domestic taxes interns, these are 100 positions. These can take anybody. Okay. Domestic taxes interns can be anybody. Okay, you can be an engineer, you can be you've done social work, development, and all those kinds of things. Strategic and peak management, anybody can do that. Performance management interns, anybody can do that. Customs, anybody can do that. So do not shy away, do not see the titles and then you say, this is not suitable for me. As long as you have a passion of supporting Uganda's tax system, this is your opportunity. All right, so how do you submit your application? How do you submit? This is a very, very important. I want you to be very, very attentive. So the application is online and you need to, of course, visit the URA portal. I'm going to show you the link that you're going to click on. Review the eligibility requirements and then complete the online application. You must submit your application by the closing date, which is Tuesday, 20th May. So you don't have a lot of time. After watching this video, go straight to the this page, click on the application button and submit your application immediately. So I'm going to show you here on the blog, just in the description box down below. I have provided this link. Just click on it, come to this original post, come and click on apply now. When you click on apply now, you're going to be taken to our page. Okay, Africa Careers. You'll be taken to the Africa Careers page here, and you'll be able to pick which one you want. Which one do you want? Do you want administration? Do you want performance? Are you applying for finance intern? Look through the details as I've indicated here. Look through and see exactly what you're going to be doing. Are you in procurement? So I'm assuming you're a finance, you want to apply for finance intern. Click on apply here. So when you click on apply on our website, you're going to be taken to a full page talking about finance interns. And I'm telling you, we've done our research and we know exactly what you're going to be doing. So read through and see what is the description, what are the duties and roles, what are the qualifications, and then come and click on apply on that very page. For example, I am on the finance intern page. So on that very page, you're going to click on apply. There's an apply button here. You can also use an apply button right here. So all these buttons can take you there. So when I click on this, for example, I click on this apply button, I'm going to be taken to the URA application page. This is the official URA application page. And then when you land on this page, come and log in. You must log in. If you have not registered, if you have not applied on the URA portal before, you need to create your own account. This is very, very important, friends. Very, very important. You need to create your account. So you come and click on register here. So they're saying, please enter your username and password. So if you already have an account with URA, you have applied jobs before, which I don't think most interns have, of course, have done so. You can simply come and put your email address and password if you already have an account. But if you don't, you need to register first. You're going to click on register here. So when you click on register, you're going to create your own account. So you need to enter the email address, you confirm it, the password, and confirm the password, and then you register. It's as smooth as that. So after registering, you will have an account, and then you will come and log in. Okay, you log in. Let me just show you here. So you come and after creating the account, you come and put your email address and password, then you log on. Okay, or you can simply log on here. When you click on log on here, still this is the same information. They need your email, then your password. Then after that, after logging in, you now fill in the details. Of course, I'm going to do that here. I may not be able to share the video if I do that. So if you put in your email address, then you're going to log in and be able to proceed with the application. If you get any challenges, please feel free, get to our inbox. I'm leaving the contacts in our description box down below for you to be able to get in touch. Don't miss out on this very, very juicy opportunity. Right, my quick tips for a successful application. Of course, as I have indicated in the presentation, apply early enough. Don't wait until the deadline. Tailor your CV. This is important. This is and before I go there, I want to ask you kindly to click that subscription button. If you've not yet subscribed on our YouTube channel, please go ahead, subscribe so that you don't miss out on these kinds of videos that are filled with very, very important instructions. You will do less mistakes if you follow what we tell you here, because we've done it before. So my quick tips for a successful application, I'm saying that apply early. Don't wait until the deadline. Tailor your CV to specific internship slot. If you're going to apply for finance interns, tailor your CV there. Okay, tailor your CV there. If you're going to apply for procurement intern, tailor your CV there. Try to be as honest, clear, concise in your application as possible. Double check all attachments because this is an opportunity for you. You shouldn't let it slip away. So double check all the attachments and spellings before submitting. Deadline is 20th of May 2025. I've indicated that, and then here you can start to launch your application. You can also follow our WhatsApp channel. Share our WhatsApp channel link so that your friends can also get to know that this community exists. I wish you all the best. See you in our next video. Thank you. Thank you.